Welcome students. Today we will take part 3rd of topic patterns. In the previous video we already learned about few types of patterns. Now today we will take position and letters pattern. Now let's start with position. In position pattern we generally use these position up, down, left, right. Now let's take an example. In this example we have to find out next one. Now in first it's left position, then right, then left, then right. So in this example the pattern of left right is followed. So what will come next? Yes, after right there is left position. Now let's take another example. In this example we use the position up and down and we have to find out next one. So in this example first it's position up, then down, up, then down. So in this example the pattern of up down is followed. So after down there is up position is used. Now let's take another example. In this example we have to find out next one. So in first its position is right, then up, then down, again right, up, down, again right. So in this example the pattern of right, up and down is used. So after right what will come next? Yes, it's position up. Now alphabet pattern. In alphabet pattern a sequence of alphabet that repeats. Now let's explain with the help of example. In first example we observe the pattern. In this AA, then BB, then CC, then DD. So in this example the alphabet repeats then move forward. So after the D what will come next? It's E. Now let's take another example. Now let's take a look. A, B, C, then C repeat, D, E, then E repeats, F, G. So in this example last alphabet repeats then move forward. So next what will come next? In this G repeats and move forward. What will come after G is H or I. Let's take another example. We have to observe the pattern and try to find out next one. Now let's take a look. It's A, then we skip B, then C will come, then we skip D, then E will come. Now E repeats, we skip one alphabet, F, then G will come, then we skip H, then I will come. So in this example the pattern of alphabet repeats, then we skip one alphabet. Now what will come next? So here we repeat M, then we skip one alphabet, we skip N, O will come, then we skip P, then Q will come. Now let's take another example. Let's take a look. It's A, B, then we skip one alphabet C, then D, E, then we skip alphabet F, then G, H. So what will come next? Yes, in this example H repeats, we skip one alphabet, H, I, we skip I, then J, what will come next? K. Now let's take another example. Here L, M, N, then we skip O, then P, Q, R, then we skip S, then T, U, V. So in this example, the pattern of alphabet repeats, then we skip one alphabet. So what will we skip next? Then now we skip W and write X, Y, Z. Now next example. Here let's take a look. A, then we skip B, then C will come, then D, we skip E, then F will come, then G, we skip H, then I will come. So in this example, the pattern of alphabet repeats, then we skip one alphabet. So then after I, what will come next? It's J, then we skip K and we write L. So in alphabet patterns, we observe the alphabet and try to find out the next one. Now, thank you for today.